Hi there and welcome. Today we're going to be making chicken thighs using the air fryer today. The air fryer that I will be using is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. This is a low carb recipe, so we're going to push that flour and panko to the side today. And we're going to use something else for the breading. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, for our breading, we are going to be using fried pork skins apparently. I just noticed, I thought this was pork rinds, but it's pork skins. If I'm not mistaken, it's pretty much the same thing. There is no carbs or sugars in this. So the first thing I am going to do, I'm going to take some of our pork rinds, pop them into my food processor, and I'm going to grind them up finely. If you'd rather have a coarse breadcrumb, that is totally fine. If you don't have a food processor, you can pop them into your blender, or you can go ahead and smash them up by hand, which actually might be a little fun. All right, so it took the whole 5-ounce bag to give me 1.5 cups. I'm going to season up these crumbs a bit. Down in the description, I will have the total amounts for you. I have 1 teaspoon each of smoked paprika and garlic powder, half a teaspoon each of thyme and basil. I am going to add a little bit of salt and black pepper to this. There is some salt in the pork skins, but I think it needs a little bit more. So season as you wish with the salt and pepper. I'm actually using sea salt. Get this all incorporated well, and then we'll get started breading up our chicken. Okay, right here I have 2 beaten eggs. I'm going to add some salt and pepper to that. Give that a quick mix. And I have my 4 chicken thighs. They do have the skin on. If you prefer skinless, that's fine too. I'm going to season these thighs up with adobo. This is the one with cumin. Love this stuff. Do the other side. Now we are ready to bread these up. I'm going to go into the egg on both sides and drip off any excess. And into our pork skins. Pat that in there good. And over and do the other side. Get these spots that I missed. So you get the idea here. I'm going to finish these up and we will pop these in the air fryer. So I have the thighs all breaded up, and this is what I have left of the pork skin. So that was kind of cutting it close. Show you the chicken thighs all breaded up. It's got a beautiful color. We are ready to pop these in the air fryer. All right, I have the air fryer set to 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Halfway through, I will flip these over. By the way, I'm going to start off with not spraying these chicken thighs with olive oil. I think there's going to be enough oil in them pork skins and also from the chicken to make this be fine without it. If I do end up spraying, I will certainly let you know. Okay, we are 15 minutes in of our 30. It is time to flip our thighs over. Smelling mighty good in here. By the way, I did not spray the basket with any oil. Okay, I have these flipped. I trimmed some of the skin off of this one. I should have just left it alone, but that's all right. Okay, these are flipped, ready to go back in for the remaining 15 minutes. Okay, our 15 minutes is up on the other side. I did take a quick temp on these and they are done. I will let these cool off a bit and we will take a taste. Okay, these have been cooling off for about 10 minutes. Go ahead and take a taste here. I gotta tell you, it really does smell good. OMG. If I did not make these myself, I would not have known that this is pork skin. I'm pretty blown away by this. It is juicy, crispy, and the best thing is it is low carb. This deserves another bite. So if you do make this recipe, one little tip, if you have leftovers, reheat it in your air fryer or in your oven. Otherwise, your breading is going to be soggy. Blech. Here are a few other air fryer recipes if you want to check them out. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.